Alright, so I arrived in Marrakesh and I'm all alone. Okay, so I'm having dinner alone in the Riyadh Leila. All my friends are still at Pearson Airport, which is really depressing. So sunrise in Marrakesh. You can see a lot of those floating balloons there. Those floating aliens. Here's the view. Okay, so right now we're waiting for Bill, Winnie, and Kevin to exit. They just landed 12:30 p.m. How to do it.
Oh, thank you. Very good.
The black?
Wait. No, CPR.
Look, the other one. He's wearing the big
Alright, we're going sand surfing. Okay, so we made it to the coastal region of Morocco. Why is it so misty? I don't know. Very beautiful sunset. A lot of people here are surfing. We made it to the Riyadh Lelita.
sharp.
Yeah, I want to eat some other stuff too. I'm good.
No, that's okay. That's enough.
Give me like 600.
Oh look, the gut's coming out. Look, he's pulling all the guts out.
Recommend to cook it.
Really? Very cool.
Very good, very good.
Dig in, dig in.
Just like with the keep it sharp.
Bill, give me your mouth again. Show me your mouth.
Clean now.
What does squid ink taste like?
Tastes like the ocean.
What
Got a
about
red
you gonna
snapper
do?
right here. See this eye? Dripping liquid. That means it's fresh.
I'm gonna have one.
Yeah, try. I want you to suck it.
And for migraine, if you have a good digestion, you have no more good migraine. Look like this.
Meth crystals.
This is 11 grams.
Alright, so we finally made it to the city wall. We're in Essaouira. We bought a lot of stuff. Pomegranate juice. Bill bought some crystal meth. We bought fried fish. We bought
Prickly pear.
prickly pear. A guy served it with us.
Fresh.
Fresh prickly pear.
Okay, out. Net for the next one. Splattering
I want to use that.
Oh no, it is a sun.
Okay, so we finally made it to the water. The water's pretty damn cold. We're at the rooftop at Riyadh Lelita, and thankfully I didn't have to share a room with Kevin. On a tiny bed at the top, I probably would have fallen down sleeping. I haven't tried it. Hey Kevin, how's it going?
Great.
Oh man, that's bad.
Someone puked on Bill, aka a bird. We just hit a dead end.
Big ass luggage.
Okay, so we're lost again, and Bill's leading the way.
The streets like this way. No regard for human life. Fine.
Couldn't get into the don't know what it's called.
We walked around the whole perimeter.
Yeah.
It was a high stress situation.
Yeah.
A lot of conflict, but it was a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun. Oh, the whole bottle. Dude, you're gonna go into their car. Oh. But he might have only put a little bit so that a novice tourist like us would not be able to distinguish the difference. John, how do you think it tastes? Does it taste watered down?
No, it doesn't. Pomegranates look really good.
Yeah, look.
Oh.
This is the map.
Okay.
This is just the entrance.
Watch your step. It's such a weird time. It's 4:11. It's all natural for us. Look at that logo. It's just fearless.
We're having a nice stroll in the garden of Halaja, and it's very nice. The sun is setting.